shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't in them. You for be irate. Nanka beden why you You for be irate. Takashina in your dinner, I didn't in them. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't in them. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't in them. You for be irate. Nanka beden why you You for be irate. Takashina in your dinner, I didn't in them. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate.
It's hard to believe that not too long ago we were... Correction. I mean, I was just an ordinary girl. An ordinary, unemployed girl. My mom was my everything. She went through hell to raise, care and educate me, and all I ever wanted to do was to just take care of her. Ma, I'm really sorry, but I have to go. I want to be very early.
Why won't you eat something?
No, Ma, I really have to go.
Let me wrap something.
No. Listen. Let's do this. Let me go. When I come back, I will eat something for you. Okay.
Hey. All right. Hey, come here. Have you said your prayers?
Yes, I have.
I have a feeling today will be your day.
Ma, you said that yesterday and the day before.
Oh, did I?
Yes, you did. And I'm sure you say it again tomorrow.
No, I won't.
Why? Is it because you're certain that I'm going to get a job today?
No. It's because I'm certain tomorrow is a Saturday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. But Ma, I really hope today goes well for me.
It will. Come on. Cheer up. Come here. Cheer up. You are a smart girl. Intelligent. You have the skill. And you are a decent girl. Anybody who doesn't recognize all these doesn't deserve to work with you. Go on. Go on. May the Lord be with you. It will be okay. That's not the end of the world. Come on. It will be okay. It will be okay.
Thank you.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
When you're a child, you wish to grow. And when you grow up, then you wish you were a child.
I never imagined that this would be my life after graduation. Pounding the pavement every day, trying to find a job.
Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad. You can't breathe, but you got to survive.
I could feel myself becoming more and more desperate every passing day.
When life got this cold hands on you,
at the rate at which things were going, I started to wonder if I was ever going to find a job. Right now, I've lost count of how many offices I've been to and how many interviews I have failed. And then this happened.
It's not that bad.
every day I try to make it better.
Fresh out of school, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, can you get up for me to see something? I mean, up.
Yes, sir.
Come this way a little bit. Okay, can you slowly turn around for me? Okay, take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Like I said, your resume is interesting. But this is what I'll do. I'll give you the original copy. You keep it, and you will hear from us. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, please, I really need this job. Please.
You hear from us.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, young lady.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
And you are...
Portia.
Oh, okay, Portia. Well, I've been going through your resume. I must say, you have excellent credentials, solid recommendation, and your resume, wow, very, very interesting. Well, let me alone, I'll hire you, but there is a problem.
Let me guess. No working experience.
Yes, but you know, you don't have to worry about that because what you lack in experience, you make up for in good looks. So it looks like the odds are in your favor.
Thank you. So, what's next?
The CEO has to vet you, and if he enjoys you, believe you me, you're hired.
He would definitely enjoy me. I promise. Anything.
That makes it easy. You are in the spirit. Okay, so this way, first door on your right. Go and have fun.
Thank you, sir.
Will you take something?
No, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. You are welcome. What's your name?
I'm Portia.
We have some car called Porsche. Very nice car. Very good ride. Fine. Okay, your mission, please.
Sir, please, I'm here for the job opening.
Oh, job opening? I'll give you job, okay?
Okay, sir.
You're so beautiful. And smallish. Oh. Gebiba, be 2 weeks. He's not looking nice like you, but because of his body, I just consider her. But you have qualified all your sizes. You have a small lip, small nose, and small, armpit. You are a very beautiful girl. I'll give you a job, okay?
Really?
By the way, how old are you?
I'm 22, sir.
22. Perfect. You have qualified. Because if you are 18 years or below, I get problem with government or social welfare. But if you are above, it means you are qualified for play World Cup without any intimidation.
Sir, please, I'm confused.
Yes, because you are not immature enough grow. Don't be confused, okay? Let me go straight to the point. I want to make sex with you.
What?
We have some problems that if the drum face is there, you don't beat the side. You have to beat the pimpidim-pa. So I'm beating to you, pimpidim-pa, the sex. Oh, nice.
Sir, please, I think you have me confused with someone. I'm actually here for the job opening at your accounting department.
You say me, I'm mistaken? Do you know my age? I'm not confused. I know what I'm doing.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you need job. And me too, I want to, freeze my body. You want to give me the job.
You want to have sex with me?
Yeah.
Before you give me the job offer?
Not before, but if I sex with you, you are straight in doing the job. So here I don't have bed here. So either you bend down or you sleep here or on my table.
Oh my God, you're such a pig.
You are telling me pig? The white one or the black one?
You're so disgusting.
Hey! I Hey, I have lost the battle. Hi,
I should have seen the signs, but I was just too hopeful to notice.
Every day I try to make life better. The way days I couldn't hold on any longer. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm just saying me kwana me fa we mwana. Nasema yenya kupopo nibi anya. No chimasi.
I was humiliated. I was angry. But most of all, I was tired. Tired of trying so hard and failing even harder. I didn't have any fight left in me at all. Not that day at least.
When he or she is sitting, a child won't see, even when standing. Until you grow up, until you grow up, hey, then you will know all about life.
James, who me say?
Oh, you are my chairman.
Have you been schooling before?
Yes, I've been to school.
Look, sir, do you know something we call it psychology?
I study psychology in school, chairman.
You study in school?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. I like that. Look, then you have to know your left and right. Obi was study psychology biano hunipa. You know the person who is his. Who is his? Game of balls, what study all your psychology? As soon as you see her, you see that if this girl go to my boss office, he's going to come down and settle my boss.
Chairman, the lady was...
I hate that! Sorry. If I'm talking, quiet and shut patient and listen to what I'm saying.
Sorry, Chairman.
You don't know better than me.
No.
I have employed you here, not you employ me here.
Chairman, sorry.
So it's your responsibility to be me always, me happy. You have to make me happy.
Yes, Chairman.
Look, all the men again are talking. So if I hope so.
Yeah, all her dresses are torn.
Thank you. The same thing happened at the last time. You brought another girl to me. And the same thing I'm struggling with her. Unfortunately, the guy touched my distance. And he tried to pull it. It's a bunch. You want to pull it. You know how to approach cassava? Yes. You should do idea what I mean.
You will die.
Thank you. So you can't take my position.
Oh no, Chairman, that is not the idea. Chairman, when this girl came, I spoke with her. Even when she was coming to your office, I told her we'll go and have fun and enjoy. And she was smiling and excited.
That's why I'm asking you, have make psychology before? Forget the person is laughing. Forget the person is annoying. You can psychology her and you see the thing is in you didn't her before you allow her to my office. How old are you? You see, I have head. You don't have head. Because of this foolishness. You don't think before you do something. Look, I'm older than you. But you don't have head. I have head. And the painful thing, he told me, pick. I resemble Prego. Look. Why are you looking at my nose? Go and get your wife. Go and sit down. Come back.
Sorry, Chairman.
Nonsense.
Sorry.
Look, if you want to play with me,
Chairman, I don't
you see me.
Chairman.
Meanwhile, across town, my best friend Leela was going through a crisis of her own. Leela had just lost her husband, Openyi.
Where is everyone?
Everyone left. You are an hour late.
Oh, too bad. So, what did I get and where do I sign?
You might want to sit. So the will was read over an hour ago. Openyi's first wife and some of his brothers were present and...
Nanaya, skip to the part where you tell me what I inherited.
Fine. Nothing.
What?
Nothing. You inherited nothing.
Wait, what do you mean nothing?
I mean, apart from a few specific requirements, his assets goes to his first wife.
Wait, no. This can't be happening. I'm his current wife. And I'm entitled to half of everything. Right?
Wrong. It doesn't work that way. You were married to him for just 2 weeks. Besides, they've been married for over 30 years. And even if you choose to contest the will, chances are you will lose.
This is not fair. This is so not fair. I was with him for 2 good years before we got married. And why does she get everything? She got him when he was young and vibrant. I got him when he was old and wrinkled. And...
super rich?
Yes, but still. Do you know what it feels like being with an old man like that? Every night.
No, and I don't even want to.
Nanaya, all I'm saying is I need some sort of compensation. He paid for everything. He paid all my bills, my flat, my hair, every single thing. I couldn't even graduate because he kept flying me out during my final year. My entire existence depended on him.
Well, you should have made more smarter choices. You could have started a business, invested the money, or even saved.
How on earth was I supposed to know he was going to have a heart attack and die during our honeymoon?
Leela, he was 79.
Yes. A healthy 79. But I thought he had at least 10 years somewhere in him.
Well, it's time you start putting your life together. And if you need a job, I'm on the market for a new assistant.
Thanks for the offer. But what I need right now is a new husband. Yes, Nanaya, a new rich husband. And preferably someone younger. Anyway, my friend Portia is actually job hunting though.
Okay, ask her to see me on Monday.
Wait, his house.
Which one?
His house, the one at East Airport. We were supposed to move in there after our honeymoon.
Oh, that went to his first son, Boniface.
What? The priest?
License. Unia, John, Unia, also, I am a customer. Oh, then? My customer, pan. I go then or ye? Oh, my customer. Did I start? Oh, wait. Because for you, you started. The business here, too. The whole day, I buy an elako, no be a bani be ya, also customer. In the uncle side. Unless I'm Rammy side of me, say, why am a customer? Oh, babe, for 4-5 years in it, and I'm a day meeting. Oh, yeah, Ling Baby trim. Honestly, I'm a customer.
Officer!
Oh, father. Oh, one, two, Huniboko, Mr. One, and Casaboko. No, dear, photocopy. My matching a first offense to the obey. I did watching a crank cocoa, 20 and then Casabo. Why, ain't cocoa. Ah, baby, wow. Hey, I'm telling you something, say you are my customer, yeah. We may and Casabi Shira Neko. Give us your blessing. Yes, yes, a blessing.
Oh,
yeah.
Blessing? You should have mentioned this earlier. Okay, shall we pray now? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Father, Lord, I ask for blessings for thy children. I ask that you bless their way and they will be blessed. In Jesus' name, I pray. Let's all say amen.
Amen. Amen. Apart from Bible here. Yeah. Now that was God's blessing. Give me your pocket blessing.
I just gave you the blessing, officer.
That's right.
The blessing I just did.
Yes, that's from God. Now there, you know.
Don't forget that I am the instrument of the Lord.
Your blessing, your blessing.
My blessing? I just give my blessings out.
God bless you. So bless. John. Now what? Why you want to know me? So your father.
A Roman father.
Now Akrabene too kind.
Oh, that is my daughter.
Ha! Father,
well, she's not my biological daughter. I mean, she's someone I take care of, okay?
So she's your spiritual daughter?
No, she's somebody I'm mentoring. She's not
my mentor. Oh, mentor gonna take you high. Mentor 5, Irene and J. Hey, you are mentoring a spiritual daughter. Where is the particulars?
Officer, you asked for my license and that is my license. You asked my registration.
As I put it to you, this is not you. This is not your license. Second, the person here has afro. And wretched, you are not wearing red and you don't have the afro. And you have a child in your car. Show me the particulars. Friend and Look, wait.
This is my car, officer.
This one is a local car. Because if you time. Wait, hold on. If you hear you see if I process you, obeche more. Just
officer or whatever you call yourself. Listen, like I said earlier on, I'm in a hurry to meet somebody down the street. So can I have my license?
You are heli because you move around so meboa. Yes, and how can pay 2,000 be mine.
What?
2,000. I say about 2,000 a day. And I can't know what you know here now. It's me 2,000 so it me talk and ekutane. Come and your machine that you bubu ba down. Oh, anya kro ka 2,500 mo tell me amount. If I don't know tell me too. Tell no na come me 500. Let me no na dan no me ma say. I don't know, I need 2,000. Maybe 2,000, but I'm 1,000.
Oh,
cranny.
you win.
You know, Akasa. I come home with the Roma for the Kahimbu continue be a boko. On Kakra, I don't know, Patrol.
Kwaku, John, or whatever you call yourself, okay? I'm in a hurry. Can I have my license and go now?
Your license?
Yes.
Where the Nippon and Nipa. Money 200. A year 2 million. Why?
200?
Yes.
Oh, so you mean bribe?
Hey! No, never ever say that word. Hey, Ghana police, we never take bribe.
Oh my God, you are killing me softly. This is my first time I held my ear. Say bribe. What is the meaning of bribe?
Bribe?
Yeah, from my heart.
It's not even in our book.
Yeah.
Now the audio by my eye, last by my eye.
But you know this is unlawful.
Unlawful saying.
I can hear when the police for confronting. My father say I'm what? No, no, this is but there's all kind of the Molan say. It will be such a fun the last is where I want.
John, right? You're John.
My name is John.
John.
Okay, Mama. 5202. Okay, you are supposed to be piano. Well, what's my papa?
Inshira, look at me. Do you like this house?
Yes.
Okay. From this day, this will be our new home, okay? Look around. You can be playing around, jumping and running around. Give me 5. Ah!
I had met Nanaya a few times socially through Leela. I always admired her. I mean, she was independent, self-sufficient, ambitious, and a top associate at her law firm. She was on her way to the top, but there was only one thing standing in her way. Actually, one person.
Counsel. Woo. I mean, tell me why. What would make a beautiful and attractive woman be working her ass deep into the night like this?
I'm working hard because the more cases I win, the easier it is to get that promotion you desperately want.
It's hypothetical. Who's talking about being attractive here? Or hard working here?
Very funny. Now get out. Dixon.
Yes, baby.
Why are you still standing there?
See, I'm just thinking of how I'm going to miss, this, like...
Miss what?
Well, just miss you and me, how it goes, like, vibely, like...
Dixon, tell me, are you dying?
For real? For real? Like, dude, you hate me that much? That if I say this, the first thing that comes to your mind is if I'm going to die? Really? I thought we were friends.
Friends? Oh, you've been trying to get me fired since the day I got here.
See you.
Besides, I'm your biggest competition and it kills you.
Kills me. Sweetie, if I wanted you fired, it would have been gone long ago. You've worked here for 6 years and you think I'm that ineffective? I'm very competent. I can get you fired quick. Your head will roll like it's 5. So don't count your hopes, please. I never want you fired. That's not even part of my actions.
I'm still here because I'm good. And by the end of next month, Alute will promote me to junior partner. And I'm going to be your boss.
Who's talking about promotion here? That promotion is, was, will, shall, has always been mine. But for some other reason, I'll let you have it. Of course, we're friends, so I'll let you have it, because I got options, baby.
What do you mean, let me have it?
Well, as a hot cake, somebody who's relevant in the work surface, I got an offer from Airtel. So it's for your eyes only. Exclusive between you and me. Check it out.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah, it pays 3 times more. A lot of freebies, benefits, and more pro bono. Check that, you see, pro bono, it did there. Pumping like skin tight.
So what are you waiting for? This is a great opportunity.
See, it's my loyalty to Mr. Loti. Like he handpicked me from law school, brought me here, and I've been working with him for the past 10 years. So it's just because of my loyalty. That's why it's making it difficult for me to just make that problem. I just can't get up and leave, Yeah.
Dixon.
Yes, dear.
Why are you telling me all of this? I mean, where do I come in?
Well, apart from the old man, there's one more factor. And it's a very important factor,
What is that?
See, you know what? Safe to say I've been waiting for a moment like this. I've been looking at you for a long while and I've been meaning to say this my whole time. I deeply feel this for you. And honestly, from the deepest part of my heart, I want to fuck you.
What?
Come on. You can't tell me all the competition between us is not from sexual tension. There's sexual tension between us. I feel it. It's there. Don't pretend it doesn't exist. All this what. It's there. You're sexually starved. I'm also starved. Let's go for lunch. Isn't it simple?
You know this conversation counts as sexual harassment, right?
Sexual harassment. It only counts for sexual harassment when I'm here. I will no more be here. So which sexual harassment is that?
So you mean if I have sex with you, you will leave the promotion and go in for the job at Airtel?
Look, quickest, sharpest. I won't think twice, thrice, twice. I won't even think to the 4th level. Quick, sure banker. Instant, I'll be gone to November, like Wyclef Jean, tout le monde avec tout le monde le jus. I'll be gone long time ago. So, I'll let you run your mind around it. So in the meantime, I'll be in my office till 8 p.m., alright? It's your boy Dixon, baby. Onapo. Holla.
Like I mentioned earlier, one of the reasons I admired Nanaya was her ambition. Unfortunately, her ambition clouded her judgment sometimes. My own mind was clouded with frustration that night.
How was your job hunt today?
Same as always.
What happened to your tongue?
Nothing, ma.
Nothing. But it's done.
Nothing, ma. Please just leave me alone. I want to be alone. Ma, leave me alone.
Okay. Have a nice rest.
They often say, you don't know what you have till it's gone. Those hours I spent waiting to find out if my mom was gone were the worst of my life. Within those hours, I came to the realization that I would walk on the coals of hell to keep my mother alive.
My mother, how is she? What's happening?
She's fine. Pull yourself together. She suffered a mild heart attack, but she's stable now. She's going to be fine.
Thank God. Sorry, please, can we see her? Yes, can we see her?
She's sedated at the moment, but you could go see her when she wake up, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm so relieved. I thought I was going to lose her. Posh, chill. Everything will be fine, okay? She'll be okay.
Thank you so much for paying the bills. I'll pay you back.
You, Pa. Don't worry about it. What are friends for? You know what? You should pay me back as soon as you can. With interest.
What?
Apparently I'm broke. So, I'm trying to make smarter choices with little money I have left. Sorry.
Okay, fine. I'm going to pay you back. But that's when I get a job and I get paid.
By the way, my friend Anaya is hiring. You should go see her on Monday, you know.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
How much are all those doctors being paid these days? Did all the strike action pay off?
I don't know. Why do you ask?
I think I just spotted my next ex.
Most people thought Leela was a selfish, shallow gold digger.
Would you be okay?
But to me, she was a generous and loyal friend. She always had my back. So, with a friend like that, a mom who just cheated death, and a new job prospect, I thought things were finally picking up. For the first time in a long time, I was excited about my future. The next Monday morning, there was a good feeling in the air. After 6 years at the firm, Nanaya was about to taste the fruit of all her hard labor.
Good morning, sir. You wanted to see me?
Yes, sit down. Dixon brought something to my attention this morning and it's rather disturbing.
Yes, I'm aware. It's not that big a loss if you ask me. You need someone more loyal and dedicated to help you run this firm.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the sexual harassment complaint Dixon is leveling against you.
What? This is ridiculous.
Don't bother lying. He came with a proof.
Is that all?
You did more?
No. This is simply out of context.
What other context will flashing your breast to your co-worker fit into?
I can explain. What happened was...
So you came, right? Let's do it.
Whoa. I didn't come here to have sex with you. I only came to explain to you that that is not the right way to talk to a woman.
You are no ordinary woman. You are a woman competing among men. Of course. So, I mean, that's how people want it, gender equality. So I have to talk to you like that. There's no hard feelings.
Good point.
Yeah.
But let me ask you one thing. Would you talk to Alote that way?
Alote doesn't have boobies. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have boobies.
Meaning, no.
Yeah.
So why ask me for sexual favors?
Well, because of boobies.
You are hopeless.
Me hopeless? Okay, listen. Listen. I took the other job, okay? So I'm surely gonna leave. We've been in this competition for almost 6 years. Why won't you, pat me off with something small? Give me some small token. Just something to pat me off, because we've been in this for a while. Pat me.
What do you want?
I like that question. What do you want? Show me your boobies.
Oh God.
It's the least you could do. I didn't ask for much. Show me your boobies. It's nothing. Look of you.
Fine. But let's make it a trade.
Alright.
You show me yours, and I'll show you mine. You can't see from this angle. His trousers were down. I swear.
Stop it, Nanea. You have no evidence to back your claims.
But
He is trying to get you fired by the organization. But I will not allow this to happen. All you need to do is to apologize to him and all of us move on.
Apologize? Can't you see what he's trying to do? He's trying to sabotage my promotion.
Your promotion? Who said you are up for promotion?
Why shouldn't I? I'm the best associate you have.
Indeed. Certainly yes. You are. But at this stage of your life, you don't need promotion. Soon and very soon, you will meet a man, you get married, you start making babies, and your focus will be on your family and your children. And you spend most of your time attending PTA meetings to make sure that the right thing is done by your children.
Wow. Sir, for the 6 years I've worked with you, I've come to admire you as smart, professional, and ruthless at times. But I would never have pegged you for a sexist.
I am not a sexist, Nanea. I'm being pragmatic. I'm being realistic. At this stage of your life, you don't need a promotion. I hope soon and very soon, you have your own firm or company, and you practice. And then you come to understand that the decisions that I'm making for you right now is the best decision that will help you in your life and your practice.
Hopefully, that day will be very soon. I quit!
It was the hardest decision she had ever made, but Nanaya knew it was time.
Congratulations. You won the battle, but the war isn't over. I will fuck you up.
Hey, listen. That's not the right way to talk to a man, okay? And use a condom. Fuck me.
Hi. Posh, what are you doing here?
I'm here about the job.
Job?
As your assistant.
Oh, sorry. I just quit.
What?
But I'll be getting my law firm soon.
Soon?
Eventually. Do you have a lipstick?
Yeah, sure. Where are you?
Who? Boss. Former boss. But long story. Do you want to have a drink?
But it's only 10 a.m.
You're unemployed and it's not like you have something better doing.
She was right. We were both unemployed, and we had nothing but time.
Easy, guys. Steady.
What? She was a little drunk. I didn't know where else to take her.
So, you girls went out drinking without me?
We didn't go drinking. I went drinking. This one says she doesn't drink.
So, Portia, you are responsible for this.
How do you mean?
Obviously, you don't drink. So Nanaya here drank up all your bottles.
Oh, please, just shut up.
Portia, are you okay? Posh, how is Mom doing?
She's fine. She'll be discharged tonight, and I need you to help me go get her.
Of course, Posh. What are we friends for? I would love to do that. Look, Posh, Mom will be fine. Okay? Everything will be okay. So, why is this one boozing for breakfast?
Because men are pigs.
Nanaya, not all men are actually pigs. There's still a few good men out there, you know.
Like the really good men who died and left you nothing? Or the really good men who sexually assaulted Posh?
Wait, Portia?
I told you not to tell anyone.
Oh. Freedom of drunk speech.
Wait, Portia,
what did she... Just ignore her, don't ignore her.
You see, that is the issue. We ignore all the bad treatment and take the punishment for being the weaker sex.
Look, girls, it's a man's world, an African man's continent, and a Ghanaian man's country. Just find a rich man that would, you know, spread you out proper.
You see, that is the problem with you. You always want a man to take care of you. If you had stayed in school, you wouldn't be a 23-year-old broke widow.
Hey, guys, come on. Let's just stop this.
Really? Okay. And Portia that stayed in school. Look at her.
Hey. Look. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you guys. It's just that I feel so powerless at the moment.
I know exactly how you feel. When that man attacked me, I felt weak and helpless. All I could think of was how I could have punched him or something.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should punish them.
Listen, girl, see, I don't have the energy to do the popo or any form of...
No police, no legal drama. I mean, we'll punish them ourselves.
And how do you intend to punish them? And why are we even going to do that in the first place?
How? By threatening them into submission. By putting the fear of God and woman into them. Why? Because fear. Because revenge. Because fun. Because we're unemployed and we have nothing better to do.
Girl, are you listening to yourself? Because you sound crazy. How do you plan to threaten a man into submission with this your skinny self?
Simple muscle and firepower. And I know the perfect person to help us with that.
It all happened so fast. It was hard to tell if we were just joking around or actually plotting revenge.
They pull me low. We rise up high. But you know want to me. Osuma will me fikra won't me. I'm gifted and lifted way up to the top. I did move like tractor tire. Even on the rough road, I know they tire. But they let people kujebaya. Cause I'm hotter than fire burn. Fire burn, fire burn, fire burn, fire burn, fire burn, fire burn. I have a story, I know they worry. And I was say haha, or chama say papa, yame dada. I believe in Baba, 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 Baba. Hey, all you have to do is believe. My papa, he never deceives. Lift your hands up and receive it, believe it. Hey, Naminti and say that, Naminti and say that, Naminti and say that, and say that.
Where are you taking us to?
I didn't move like tractor.
We're almost there.
This is ridiculous. Let's just turn back.
We're already here. Let's just find out what she has to say.
She? Who is this mystery woman?
Tell us or else we are out of here.
Fine. Her name is Muni. I worked on a case she was involved in last year.
Involved how?
She was training to be part of the armed forces. A few nights to her supposed training to end, 3 of her mates ganged up and...
Oh God.
You know, but that's not even the actual case. After the whole incident, she started torching or something. She went crazy and started shooting at them.
Did she kill them?
No, but she was arrested and charged for attempted murder.
Oh, so you helped defend her?
No. I defended one of the guys who tried to rape her.
What? Nanaya, you defended a rapist?
Alleged rapist. It doesn't even matter. We lost the case.
Look, I don't even see how coming here helps solve the issue. Not only is she a crazy person, but she's a crazy person who hates you.
You can hear that.
Who the hell are you people?
Lost, we are lost. We are actually on.
Hey! Inazaki, where do you think you're going? Huh? Hey! You! Look at me. I know you. You are that lawyer. Hey!
She came to apologize.
Yes, you know, sir. What? She came to do what?
Apologize.
Yes. A woman defending a pig? Proto, you!
I know exactly how you feel.
You were raped?
Not physically. No, listen. All I'm trying to say is, I know how you feel. We know how you feel. Okay, men have treated us really bad. We're here for your help. We need you to help us get revenge. You'll pay.
Muni was a bit odd and a lot scary, but she was tough. I like that. I wanted to be like that. So did my friend.
Then your block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We the back and we the top chow, we get the money everywhere we go, back man, them still ask no go make them, then they block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We dey make them, we dey top chow, we get the money everywhere we go, but man, them still ask why, yo.
One thing.
Oh, why, yo. Them say we no go make them, then they block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We dey make them, we dey top chow, we get the money everywhere we go, but man, them still ask why, yo. Oh, why, yo. Them say we no go make them, then they block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We dey make them, we dey top chow, we get the money everywhere we go, but man, them still ask why, yo.
One thing.
Oh, why, yo.
Attention! At ease. Well done, ugly faces. Are we ready for the task ahead? Well, since we are ready, there are some rules and regulations. The first rule is loyalty. We are fighting as a team. Second rule, we have a common enemy. Your enemy is my enemy. Her enemy is your enemy. We have one common enemy. Rule number 3. After you fought and shot, Charlie, you run! Capiche? Are we ready for the task ahead? Yes, Mooney! Are we ready for the task ahead? Yes, Mooney! Voila. You know, you girls are not as bad as I thought. You know what? I didn't think any of you would last me.
You're not too bad yourself.
Thank you. Anyway, so what is the plan?
We just want to scare the guys who messed with us.
What? No. See, we had our fun. Come on, girls, let's just go. We're done.
Done? We haven't even started yet, my dear. But we'll need your weapons for a couple of days.
No. My weapons are my babies. Charlie, I'm not a play. They are not for play.
Okay, we'll rent them.
For what?
Tonight, we will go to Dixon's house and teach him a lesson.
Yes, I'm in. What?
No.
Why? It'll be fun. Besides, no one is getting hurt, right?
Of course not. We're just teaching him a lesson.
Teaching in care? See, well, you know what? Count me out. I even have to go pick Mom up from the hospital. Let's go.
Don't talk for her.
Don't speak for her either.
Guys, stop. If you want to go, madam, just go.
Okay, fine. I'm out of here.
Sit down. Then I'm in. That's the only way you can get my weapon anyway.
Of course. So let's do this.
After I left the girls, I went to get my mom. When I got there, I was told to see the doctor.
I was asked to see you before checking my mother out. Okay, she's good to be discharged for now, but there is a problem.
What?
Upon further observations, we discovered a wandering bone fragment in her thoracic cavity, which is dangerously close to her heart.
Thoracic cavity? Doctor, what are you saying?
I'm saying she needs a surgery to have it removed as soon as possible. It's a high-risk procedure and quite expensive, but without it, the fragment could cause a fatal damage.
Surgery? How long can she...
Every second. is a risk.
Can you please tell me more about this surgery and how expensive and risky it is?
We need to take her outside the country for the surgery to be done on her.
The hits kept on coming. It was like every time I took 2 steps forward, I was kicked 4 steps back.
The drugs needed for the operation are also.
Oh, I. Your girl that, you know.
No pressure.
Oh, I. Big up. Sorry. Sorry.
Mr. Sablon in our bed.
I, your girl that, you know. Oh, I. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Respect. Fatum, bombo. Respect.
I'm still condemned.
Oh, come back to life. You know, I, sorry. Charlie, I can't wait till come. So, now, I feel say people go see me around. So now for hide, I, Charlie, I come, be anything.
Yeah.
I dey hear your help, serious.
You dey hear my help.
Serious, I.
Yeah.
I make one way I set some trap.
Yeah.
You catch somebody, but I dey hear some weapon, some protection,
Okay.
Much respect,
You dey hear me?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Oba, ebe sui be kawan musam. I'm just a rasta man there. Ye pe peace. Ye pe obi uchile na ye buano. Oti asiye. Ye asundwefo. Ema mi maugus. O kasa okono. O ye la askela okone no ano. He wallahi. No rasta man more than me or no gangster above me. I go tell you. So you can run, but you can't hide. Do you understand me? So you go out, you come. Do you understand me? Yeah. So tomorrow, night go. So go and sleep. Huh?
Oh, Aina. Sister woman here, your help, You
don't hear my help, but you owe me.
Aina, I go sort you out. I go sort you out.
Which time?
The point be say, first one, Aina, and you must beat me. Kofu be treat me di.
But you remember you treat me di.
Aina, some people they treat me di before I treat you di.
Some people treat you di before you treat me di. What you they do come to you.
Aina, some people treat me di. It's like, it's like intentional. But this time, swear down. Inshallah. Me, I go sort you out one time.
Oh, no problem. I go help you. Uni Mr. Rasta mind there. Papa dear. Ya de woyen. What you say?
Yeah.
Inti se bibi here ono. What you say? No, I catch them red level no. Me make sure say this time there me no beko. What you say? Me no beko ni hard.
I respect you from head to toe. Swear say I be taller than you. I respect you so much. I dey worship you. I dey worship Allahu Akbar. Swear down. So inshallah, this time I go sort you out plus percentage.
So let's go percentage. Okay. How many percentage you go give me?
How many percentage you want, and I?
Oh, me what I'm saying, I want more, so I want to. Me pay the free wawa.
I give you 99%, where I take 1%.
Come again?
I go give you 99% plus interest, where I will take 1%.
You are sure?
I'm sure.
You are sure?
I.
You let me go crazy.
Respect.
Okay, no problem. So you want peso 3?
Peso 3 and machine 1.
Machine 1.
Yeah.
That's dope.
I thank you. Thank you.
I'm not your own son. I'm your senior brother, so don't take me like that.
Respect, Anna. Respect. All right. It's a memory, Fiona.
What's nice?
Okay.
What?
Respect.
Respect.
Anna. Respect, much respect, sir. Okay. Much respect, sir. Brim, 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 brim. Iron. Respect. I go see you. Shut up.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Hey, you're fast.
Okay.
Oh, life full of up and downs. It's not always smooth. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad. You can't breathe, but you got to survive. When life got this cold hands on you, it's like a curse is laid on you. Every day I try to make life better. The way days I couldn't hold on any longer. Oh yeah. Eya mi junju say mi kwana mi fawe mwana. Nasema yinya kupopo nibi anya. No chimasi. Oh yeni ya kwa unkobi. Why satan sandibi. Osikeni bisu baby. Oh, baby, and I'm so near yeah. Oh, what an elder sees when he or she's sitting, a child won't see, even when standing, until you grow up. Until you grow up, then you will know all about life.
I kept trying to figure out why bad things kept happening to me. And not just me. My poor mother. She was a good person. She raised me to be an even better person. So why were we being punished? How did our simple lives take such a dark turn?
Freeze! Are you the police? And you, handsome.
What? I've always wanted to say that.
Where the hell is he? It's 1 a.m. on a weeknight. Why isn't he in bed?
He's probably in some girl's bed.
You didn't think this plan through, did you?
What is there to think through? It was a very simple plan. Just break in, get him at gunpoint, and make him apologize for setting me up.
Well, it was a waste of time because he's not even here. Are you sure this is his house?
Ew.
His ex-girlfriend was a little heavy.
Then he just got it because it looks new.
Please don't touch anything.
Relax. I'm just browsing.
For what? We came here to play a prank, not to steal.
Are you calling me a thief?
No.
Good. Because I won't let you insult me after wasting my time.
She's right. This is all a waste of time. What are we even doing? This is stupid. We're not even criminals.
Yeah, you almost got me drunk. You know, the law says don't drink driving. No. Don't drive drinking. He Either ways, you shouldn't mix drinking and driving. So I didn't drive. I came home in a taxi. I'm exhausted. How about you? You sure? The home is just quiet. Every place is bored. There's nothing going on here. But I miss you. You should.
Hey!
There you go.
This place is all quiet, babe. It's all quiet, you know. It's like the headquarters of opposition party. Nothing is happening there. Not funny. I need you here, baby. Come on, girl. You would have been cooking for me by now. What's this? No, it is some particles I saw on the floor. You know, I don't know, but I'm at the fridge now. Like a grass cutter entered my fridge. Maybe it's me, I don't know. Because it was a crazy party. It was so much fun, so much fun. I don't know what you were doing, whether Azoto, Bazoto, or Siso. I don't know. Okay. You know? Yeah. Baby, hold on. Hold on, okay. Just hold on. Hello? Yeah. Oh, no. Life is good. I don't know what you put in a drink. It's so powerful. It's cleansing a lot of impurities from my body. No. I feel refreshed, renewed. I've overcome my enemies. But you know how I feel about you, right? Love you so much. Super exhausted, you know. Yeah? How about you?
Okay.
It's Dixon.
No, you can't go. Over and over.
That's what I'm telling you. Hey, did I leave my lights? Baby, it's crazy. Nowadays, I think I'm having a mental problem. I left my light on and went for work. Made the car off. So, yeah, exactly. Yeah. You know what? Give me just 10 minutes. Okay? I'm going to call you back. 10 minutes. I have a special secret CIA operation. You know what I'm talking about? No, I'll explain later. Okay? I'll explain later. Alright. Take care. Love you. Mwah.
Hey, what the hell were you doing there?
Leela!
Shut up!
Actually, let him talk.
See, we'll talk, okay? But before I proceed, I'm wet. I have to wipe. Else, it's unhygienic. It's unhygienic.
No, this is perfect. You are exactly where you belong.
You piece of shit. You love to make videos, right? Let's make one of you confessing and apologizing for trying to get me fired.
Okay, listen. Let me explain. I beg you, okay? Let me explain. The video was doctored for it to look like you are flashing your breast. But in actual fact, it's only a setup. Please, so it happens in so many companies. It's only a setup.
Let it out!
Thank you. So I'm very sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, it will never happen again. Even if you give me the chance, it won't happen again. I beg you. I'm very, very sorry, okay?
I can watch to kill us with his farts, like really.
I can watch this over and over and over.
Push your elbows inside in the bathroom. I couldn't even breathe.
Oh my god. This.
Oh my god. Well, let me check the door. Sony Portia. Oh my god, that's so funny. Naya. Portia, are you okay?
It's Ma.
Oh god.
No, not what you're thinking. She's fine. She's alive.
Thank God.
But probably not for long.
What you mean?
She needs another surgery. But soon, or else she's going to die.
And when is the surgery?
Probably never. I can't afford it. You're talking about flying in experts and all these other costs. It's just too much.
I was about to ask about insurance.
But can she get a loan?
I mean, Leela, she should have money in the bank. If not, they won't give her the loan. Sweetie, I can help you out with some money, okay? It's my savings. It's very small, but for the start.
Thank you. But I don't know what to do. I don't know how I'm going to come up with that amount of money. I mean, I don't even have time to figure out.
Look, Portia. It's fine. We'll figure something out, okay?
How? How is a broke unemployed girl with no bank credit supposed to come up with 33,100 Ghana cedis?
Posh, relax, okay? Calm down. Calm down.
Wait. That's the number.
What number?
3310. That's the code.
3310.
Yes, 3310. That's the code to the safe. The diamonds, girls.
I said it. She has finally lost it. She's lost her mind.
Leila, relax and express yourself.
Remember when I told you girls that my late husband left me with something, but I just hadn't figured out how to get it? So the night he proposed to me,
Where are my glasses?
Your glasses? You probably left them downstairs. Here, let me help you. It's a bank notification. Your account has been credited.
Oh. Just as always. Wow. What could I have done without you?
Why does a rich man like use such a phone?
Well, I am old school. That's old school. I don't like using things that crack and make fancy noises.
But I make fancy noises and you still like me.
I don't just like you. I love you. I really love you. That is why I want to show you this.
Oh my God. Are these?
These are diamonds. These are the real Akwatia precious stones. My grandfather passed them on to my father, and my father passed them on to me, and I would have passed them on to my son, who decided to become a priest and deprived me of grandchildren.
So why are you telling me all this?
Because I love you and I want to marry you. I want you to give me more children so that we can pass this to them. What do you say?
Yes. Yes, of course I'll marry you. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. I'll give you all the grandkids in the world.
Okay. I want to have my showers. I want them to put them back into the safe.
No, please wait. I want to admire them for a few more minutes.
Okay, as I go to the washroom, put them back to the safe.
Sure. What's the code? Yes. Oh my God. It's real. 3310. That's the code. Are you sure? I am so sure. Look guys, this is the answer to all our problems. We need to get my diamonds back.
Look, you can't claim them unless he's put them in writing. You can't legally demand them.
Who even said anything about legal? We just need to get this safe and take them. Nobody needs to know.
Wait, where is this safe?
He had all his stuff moved into the new apartment before we got married.
And that house has a new owner.
He only got the keys last week. He probably hasn't even moved in yet.
What if he has?
Look guys, please, stop being so difficult. You see, this is our big break. That big break we've all been waiting for. If we get the diamonds and sell it, Portia can take care of her mom. And Nana, you know, you can even set up a firm. And I can go back to school and start taking care of myself. It's a win-win for all of us.
You know what? Count me in.
Do you really want to do this?
I'm not going to sit around and wait for my mother to die. I've been feeling helpless of late, and I get mad at everything. Everyone gets me angry.
Then we really need to work out something to help you release some of that anger.
I wasn't sure what Nanaya was talking about, but at that point, I did not care. I was down for whatever.
Hi, lady.
up. I've been trying to start it for a while.
Oh, yes. Sorry. Can I help you?
Oh, yeah, sure. Please, fine. Go ahead.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
I think it's a small problem, okay?
So we meet again.
Hey, Pasha! Yeah, we meet again. How are you?
Let me ask you, where do you want it? In your face, your stomach, or down there?
Pasha, fine, forgive me. Pasha, forgive me. You're somebody in trouble. Pasha, please, forgive me.
Take off your coat.
Pardon?
Take off your coat!
Now! Okay, no problem.
Remove the shirt.
Yeah! It depends on you. As I did so, depends on me. Mary.
Drop the pants.
Oh, you see, I'm elderly person.
Drop the pants.
Okay, no problem. May you cry a little few. Come to do that. Come on.
I've never been a violent person, but that felt so good. It made me feel strong. It made me feel power. The next day, we decided to watch Opinion's house for any possible activity.
You guys, we've been here for 2 hours now. And no one has even entered or come out of the house yet.
Chill. We have to be absolutely sure there's no one in there before we come back tonight.
Who even lives in a place like this? The houses are wide apart and the place is far away from town.
I know, right? That's one of the reasons I didn't even want to move in the first place.
It's a developing area. Acquiring land is very expensive.
There she goes again. Nanaya, acquiring land anywhere is expensive.
True.
Chill, guys. By this time tomorrow, we won't have any expenses because guess what? We'll be filthy rich.
Don't be so sure.
You guys. Down. Yes. What? That is a person. What? That's on his face. That's him. And who's the child? I don't even know who she is. So what do we do now?
We need more info. One of us has to go in there.
You guys obviously know it can't be me. I mean, we've never met, but I'm sure he recognizes his young hot stepmother.
And I can't go either. He saw me at the reading of the will.
What?
I so hate you guys. Okay, fine.
Thank you. What part is that for me?
I'm Portia. I live in the house down the road. I saw you coming in and I wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood.
Okay, that is nice of you. You're welcome anyway.
Okay, a little something to say. Akwaba. I promise I got it for you, but some greedy friends I have.
Well, thank you so much, but if you don't mind, you can come in.
Okay. That's if it wouldn't be a bother.
Not at all. Come in, okay?
Okay.
You can have a seat.
Wow. You have a nice home.
Thanks. Would you want to have something to drink?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. I'll be back.
Hi, I'm Portia. And you are?
She is Inshira. She sometimes shouts, but don't be bothered so much, okay? Your drink.
Wow. Inshira, that's a nice name.
Come sit with Auntie, okay? Oh, yeah. Oh.
You have a lovely daughter.
Thanks.
Is she your daughter?
Yes.
Did Daddy do this? I hope you don't mind.
Well, that is you doing us a favor anyway.
Oh.
Just a minute, I'll be with you, okay?
Okay.
Question. How are we supposed to break into the house tonight?
I've been wondering the same thing. We might have to call Muni to help us out.
What? Muni? You know, I was afraid you'd say that. Of all people, Muni. But wait, does it mean we have to cut her in?
No.
Okay.
We'll just tell her we're trying to get some documents. We'll pay her to help us get in. But we can't tell her about the diamonds.
Obviously. Better. That works for me then. In trouble. But wait, what's keeping Posh so long? I'm so in trouble.
Wow! You teach me how to do that. Looking so beautiful.
Well, my mother taught me. I used to do hers all the time, and that's when we have the best of our conversations.
Wow, then you and her are really close, aren't you?
The closest. Look at you, looking so beautiful.
Sweetheart, why don't you say thank you to Auntie, then go upstairs and take your afternoon nap?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Give me 5. Oh. She's an amazing girl.
I know.
Well, I think she likes you.
Well, if you don't mind me asking, where is her mom?
Her parents were killed by cattle raiders right before her some years ago.
What? But I thought she is...
Adopted. I did some missionary work in the north some years ago. The very moment I saw that girl, all I wanted to do for her was to put smiles in her face. I wanted to protect her from all the cruelties in this world.
Wow, that's nice. Missionary. So then that means you are...
A priest.
Oh, okay. But I thought priests weren't supposed to have kids.
With my case, I had permission from the diocese, and my bishop says I can, so I'm cool. But trust me, it wasn't easy. But I must say that we're going through with it. And inheriting this property from my dad is a huge blessing. And timely too.
Oh, okay, okay. You guys are really close. Yourself and your dad.
We were until somewhere 2005, yeah.
2000, what happened?
I decided to become a priest.
Oh! It was something about him. I got lost in his presence. In the time I spent with him and Ishira, I didn't think about all the pain and sadness in my own life. They were a welcome distraction.
Good evening, Sister Agnes. Yeah, this is Father here. Oh, we're far. Good. I'm calling to inform you that we won't be coming over tonight. We'll be sleeping over. Oh, we are fine. She's okay. Well, I think she's getting used to the place. She even made a new friend today. Oh, okay. I'll tell him. We'll meet at the mass tomorrow, but okay? Enjoy the evening. You too.
Guys, it's almost 2 a.m. Where the hell is she?
Relax. She's on her way.
See, I don't think taking her along is a good idea.
You just don't like her.
Do you?
No, but at least we need her to get into the house.
What about the diamonds? What if she finds out about it? Oh my God.
Oh no.
Did she set us up?
Relax, we're not doing anything wrong.
What a car. If you give me, I go take.
Jeez. Muni, you scared us. What the heck? Why are you in a police uniform?
Because nobody messes with the police. And check me out. I look good. Huh? Well, this is what I wear for all my operations all the time. Operations? Yeah. This is not my first robbery.
It's not a robbery, okay? We're just... You know what, let's just go.
Yo. Go. Go to the front. Let me.
I couldn't help but wonder if we were crossing lines. Right and wrong didn't seem relevant anymore. I felt all my actions were justified. A life was at risk, the most precious life to me. As long as we weren't hurting anyone, I was ready to cross a few lines.
Comrade! Comrade! Wow.
All correct.
All correct, sir. I take out.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, your patrol. Your brain to might be.
I'll sort it out. Okay?
Okay.
Wow. Hey, I am left in a oh, sorry. Cousin. Let's call for Nia. Never stop. Yeah, teeth. I had never family, so I teeth. I check. Ahoy! The guy,
oh.
We no bomb to try that.
Oh, no, Miss Any Pacro.
Sir. Oh, wow. What kind?
I'm Yamaka.
Huh? Oh, boy. Police in the bar. Okay. Hey, oh, wow. Come on, police in the golf too. No golf today. Who can?
Anyway, officer, see from Hussein.
Oh, I'm Corporal John. No, so I'm Corporal John. Together, John and John. I didn't know the same thing.
Anyway, you're from me, DSP, Francisca, Cordelia, Patricia, Leticia, Felicia, Mensa. Me here Juma, El Castle, me South Flagstaff House. Actually, me ride motor K, Eddie President.
Hey! I'll salute you. Yes, sir. Now then, okay, Mr. Maso Bamia. Debbie, oh, you president too. It's in Pacho. Wow. Pacho, what you be?
Actually, me a first rider.
Hey! Another Sato! Hey! For Swan and Corbett. Sorry, Yellow is no shown or shabby pa or own finance pay. Saying here and then enter 3 minutes, Bangalore, 6 minutes now. Oh, send a diana. No, someone else as well. Come back, come, you have a body train. Police, police to police. Come here.
Let me feel listen to me president Akasania promote to me.
Oh, I know.
But baby, I'm more corner. Things let me get a pen and paper.
Oh, President to India from Tenoma. Why never cry? I was India from Abugi from Tenoma.
I said this is the first time I met who police or Munya discipline. I'm going to report you to the headquarters tomorrow.
Report on Unquana men this week, Medai, Maritime, my woman, ya bed in Avita, no part, being Yaba, who say, I say, yes, I done a basic kid to a hole. Taxi drivers, no more bar, no more feature, me and then quizzes.
Into your number by Monia saying,
what a gun, and I look at the 20th doctor. And I did to see the hand to pure water. Your back is in their short of cry.
Money, maybe. I am going to speak to the president on your behalf.
Oh, the Mr. say, make a bit mania or no man, cowbell president saying, Nako jump here for the bill, not time for being here felling. A person for them gone. I move here for Papa. I foot through a boy.
Alright, you know what? Phone about Jimmy number. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell the president about you guys. Into me, be you more film foot to me, say, would there be an amen cockake? Or China no pa? Either say, Dumba Jina. Castle and Nimuana say, Yedumberco Independence Square, roundabout. Me
or no man, I began no man.
A private number.
At 1,000,500.
A private number.
Parliament.
Oh, into the Munko J. Home, baby, I'm up. I'll speak to the president tomorrow. Make someone needs to say. Be a manamenko.
Yep.
Okay, yeah?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you. And then be an area. Bribe do. And then be an area. Oh, you did so a police. Debbie, who did so a police? They are who my acquaintance or call. Debbie, we are no a robber and I'm fun police. Hey, no, be back. I just see the here to my boo. Kamikasa obe mami ahe.
So.
Obe mami ahe. What's it? Didn't menyako. Hello? Yes, 911 patrol team. Why? There's some robbers in your house. No the car ben buy. Well, you are inside, no, you don't see a baby out. The confront about now, they're showing me. Hello? Hello? Trust okay. The boo and his water. The Bakua, hello?
okay?
Nice house. Guys, focus. We need to locate the safe. Okay. He always kept it in the drawer. So it's either the study or the bedroom. Okay, let's check the study first. Okay, look here. And she doesn't have to know what's happening. is it? I don't know where it is.
I hope we find it before Muni finishes her talk.
You guys know what? Let's check the master's bedroom. We haven't checked there yet.
na machewa, where DSP lie, me do go to me straight to couple to DSP.
I am one was a name. Microphone in a name. Woman name business.
Ututa couple Jonimo.
A minimobia. Minobia name movement.
And a metro. Oh, metro. Pekka, oh, the Pekka, oh, my Casawa, matter. What to Mamma Macho? Pekka Crama met with them.
Miss Lo,
and the Rasta phone now, my banamo, my hot with the Sinaco.
Oh, boss, oh,
Sissy called with the Menanto, where she called 1 mess every day.
When you ask me, can be sure be a do. Na, don't you move to pa. But I said, yeah, one of my cannibal corner. I mean, so much in me, I do. More feeling. None can be sure be a bear 2,000. I feel no cassa, which is 20 million. But 1 minute panaco. Intimate slow. With the Pekka Cramaman from Faka. Now, there, who bet me a chimbium, so to me chimbium dear, no double num dear mouth.
Mabo, what's up, Pimsika Afaka?
Sir,
Mamento.
Miss Mamento,
Mamento, Minita, Mamento, me found Kusia, what to me, your lawyer fair mawa, Nimejao. Why?
See, take whatever you want and leave us alone.
Open the door.
Take anything at all and go.
What we want might be that room.
Who are you people?
It's me.
Portia? Portia, is that you?
Yes. Please, just open the door. We just want to get something. I promise we are not armed. No one will get hurt. I'm here with Leela, your father's wife. She left something behind. We are here to take it. Please just open the door.
You are not who I thought you were.
What are you doing?
Did you call the police?
Why'd you have a gun? Who said no gun? Shut up!
Did you call the police?
No. Look, my phone battery is even dead. You can check.
He's telling the truth. Lower your gun.
Are you here alone?
Yes, he's a priest and he lives here alone.
Fine. Don't try to be the savior. Now, can we get what we came for and leave?
Guys, I found it.
Okay, good. Enter the code.
What? No. What?
Oh my gosh. All this trouble for nothing.
I thought you said you were sure about the code.
I was. I am. But why does a rich man like you use such a phone?
3310, that's what it is. I am old school.
3310 was the phone. Shit.
I thought you said he told you the code.
Yes. I put the stuff back in myself.
Try and remember.
There were so many numbers that day. The account notification. The phone.
Try harder.
Try a year. My father used to have special years as his passwords.
Oh my God. He's right, guys. It's a year. It was... What's the code?
Oh, 2 2,000. Anyway, just put it there. I'll return it.
2,000 and what? What's the last number?
5. Try 2005.
Yes! Yes, guys! Yes!
Hold on. Hold on. What was that?
What was what?
What did she just hand over to you?
Guys, we got what we came here for. Let's just...
Hey! Attention! You girls are being sneaky. I thought we were a team.
Yes, we are.
Oh no. The three of you are. Oh, now you're turning your backs on me. You're turning your backs on me. I've seen this before. Bunny.
No. Bunny! Give it to me! Give it to me! Hey. Aha. Ogomosho, give it to me.
It's mine.
Now, Marika, give it to me.
Mommy!
And that's how the story of my life begins.
My man cries, I'm a baby shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't in the mood. You for be irate. Nanka then why you hear me? You for be irate. Takashina and your dinner, I didn't in the mood. You for be irate. My man cries, I'm a baby shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't in the mood. You for be irate.